complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo, to this listening class for hearing what we learned in context and reinforcing it through several conversations.
Great. Emma, I am ready to listen carefully.
Vocabulary, animals. Grammar, past simple, irregular verbs.
I like that because real conversations help me remember new words.
Exactly. So listen for useful everyday language and notice the past simple when it appears. Now let us start the main dialogues. Returning a shirt. Hi, I want to return this shirt, please.
Of course. Did you buy it here?
Yes, I bought it yesterday, but it is too small.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Did you pay by card?
Yes, I paid by card.
Great. Please put your card in the machine.
Okay. How long does the refund take?
It takes 2 or 3 days.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Talking to a neighbor. Hi, is this your dog?
Yes, he is. His name is Max.
He is very cute. Did you walk him this morning?
Yes, we went to the park early.
Nice. I heard a bird near my window too.
Oh, I saw it. It was on the tree.
By the way, this letter came to my mailbox, but it is for you.
Thank you. I did not see it yesterday.
No problem. I am going downstairs now.
Okay. Have a good day.
At the post office. Hello. I need to send this package.
Where is it going?
It is going to my brother in Boston.
Did you write the full address?
Yes, I wrote it last night.
Good. Please put the package on the scale.
Here you go.
It is 2 kilos. Standard mail is $6.
How long does it take?
It takes 3 days.
That is fine. I will pay in cash.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
At a pet store.
Excuse me.
Do you have food for a cat?
Yes. The cat food is on this shelf.
Thanks. My cat ate this brand before.
Good choice. Did she like it?
Yes, she loved it, but I did not buy enough.
We have a big bag and a small bag.
I will take the big bag.
Great. Do you also need food for a dog or fish?
No, just for my cat today.
Okay. The checkout is this way.
At a phone repair shop. Hi, my phone screen is broken.
I can help. Did it fall?
Yes, it fell this morning.
Can you turn it on?
Yes, it works, but I cannot read messages.
The screen needs a new part.
How much is it?
It is $40.
Okay. Can I get it today?
Yes, come back at 5.
Thank you. I need it for work.
No problem. I will fix it soon.
Planning a weekend walk. Do you want to walk in the park on Saturday?
Yes, that sounds good.
I went there yesterday, and it was beautiful.
Did you see the ducks by the lake?
Yes. I saw 3 ducks and a small rabbit.
Nice. What time did you go?
I went at 10 in the morning.
10 is good for me.
Great. I can bring water and snacks.
I can bring my camera.
Perfect. See you on Saturday at 10.
See you then.
Good work, Nexo. These dialogues showed common situations with simple, real English.
Yes, I heard useful words and some past actions.
Listening to real dialogues helps you connect grammar and vocabulary to daily life.
I will listen again and repeat the short sentences.
Excellent. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye to everyone watching.